This is how we store and handle terrain at BrisVegas Comics. When you grab a terrain box for your game, they are all labeled by number and description. As you can see here, this contains terrain and buildings, which consists of an Imperial base. And this terrain will usually fit a Star Wars setting, but feel free to use it for any other game you want. Every plastic storage container has a set of user guidelines. This is here to inform both customers and staff on how the terrain should be managed. So let's go through this list together. Content of box is displayed on opposite side. When you flip the container, there will be a picture that shows what is in the box, so you're able to get an idea of the terrain before even opening it, which is super convenient. Box contains enough terrain for one table setup. When you open the box, this is what you usually get. All the scattered terrain is located in a tray, so they don't sink to the bottom of the container, which makes it easier for you to find bits you want without digging through the entire box. And under the tray, you'll find the big terrain and building features for your table. Some boxes won't come with any scattered terrain for the sake of simplicity. For example, box 5 only has large ruins, which is better suited for match play. Do not mix content of box with another. This rule helps keep the organization system in check. If no one mixes the terrain from one box with another, this mess can be avoided. And if you're unsure what belongs in each box, see content of box for reference. This will give you a sense of what belongs where, and if you have further questions, please ask a staff member. We are here to help. You are able to customize your own table. This is the fun part. From your chosen box, you're able to set up the table however you like. If you're doing a narrative heavy game, you can make your table dense with terrain to make things super interesting. And if you want to play a competitive game, you can make a standard layout. Close the lid during and after play, unless instructed otherwise. Because over the months, some of the lids got lost and destroyed. As a precaution, please close the lids after you have set up the table. And if the box doesn't have a lid, no dramas, because the staff are aware of this, and it's all taken note of on the containers. After play, leave terrain on table. This is the easiest step. All you have to do is pack up your own minis and leave the terrain on the table, because staff will pack up. By letting staff pack up the terrain, we are able to enforce the user guidelines, plus avoid damaging terrain, so we can reduce the amount of victims in a terrain hospital. An extra thing I would like to cover is accessing our huge terrain. These are big terrain features that won't fit nicely into any of our boxes. If you would like to use them for your own games, feel free to ask a staff member. We are happy to help. So that is how we store and handle all our terrain at BrisVegas Comics. Thank you for watching this instructional video, and hopefully everything stays organized from now on. But probably not.